టీ20 ప్రపంచ కప్లో భారత్ తొలి పోరుకు సమయం ఆసన్నమైంది. రోహిత్ సేన ఇవాళ ఐర్లాండ్ను ఢీకొనబోతోంది. బలాబలాల్లో భారత్కు ఐర్లాండ్కు పోలిక లేనప్పటికీ తక్కువగా తీసుకోవడం లేదన్నారు కెప్టెన్ రోహిత్ శర్మ. బ్యాటింగ్, ఫీల్డింగ్, బౌలింగ్ విభాగాల్లో టీమిండియా ఎల్లప్పుడూ అత్యుత్తమ ప్రతిభనే కనబరుస్తుందని ఆయన ఆశాభావం వ్యక్తం చేశారు. మరోవైపు టీ20 ప్రపంచ కప్లో రోహిత్ సేన తొలి లీగ్ దశను దాటడం కష్టమేమీ కాదు. గ్రూప్ దశలో పాకిస్తాన్ జట్టును మట్టి కరిపించి అగ్రస్థానంలో సూపర్ 8కు అర్హత సాధించే అవకాశం ఉంది. పాకిస్తాన్తో పోరుకు ముందుగానే మంచి ఫామ్ను అందుకోవడానికి ఐర్లాండ్ మ్యాచ్ను టీమిండియా ఉపయోగించుకోవాలని చూస్తోంది.
Have to play good cricket, as simple as that. We're not going to look into too much about what oppositions we are playing. It's for us, what is important is what we want to do as a team and do that well, whether it is batting, bowling and fielding. So our focus will be on all these three aspects of the game and not too much into what kind of oppositions we are playing. Of course, you look into their strengths and weaknesses, but not looking at how they play or what is their team composition like and all that stuff. I think our focus will be on what we want to do as a team and focus on all three aspects of the game, like I said. Yeah, I think we saw that in the game that we played against Bangladesh, the warm-up game that we played. Of course, the two batters who are in the middle, a lot of communications between them first, and then obviously sending the message back in as well is quite important. Those are the basics of when you start playing in slightly difficult or different conditions, I would say. The communication between your partners and, the guys who are coming to bat in. We have discussed a lot of stuff, before this game as to what the condition has to offer and how we're going to play on these type of conditions. Certainly, it doesn't look like, it's a place where you can score easily. So we got to be a little mindful of that and see what best we can do. That is what, the experience in the dressing room is all about. We've got a lot of experience of a lot of the batters who have played in different conditions outside of India, and I hope that experience come to the fore and they can apply themselves and use it to their best advantage and eventually benefiting the team as well.